are pleased to show you the 2017 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, chrome wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.